Welcome back to applelnsider, your ultimate destination for the latest innovations, bold technology, and game-changing gadgets. Today we're diving into something that honestly feels like the future of smartphones has arrived early. Imagine a phone that doesn't just take photos, but actually sends its camera flying into the air to capture the perfect shot. Sounds impossible? Well, Vivo has done the unthinkable. This is the Vivo Drone Camera Phone, the world's first smartphone with a detachable flying camera. Get ready because this might just change how we define smartphone photography forever. Let's break down this futuristic masterpiece, feature by feature, in pure keynote style. Number 1. Design and build quality. The moment you pick up the Vivo Drone Camera Phone, it doesn't feel like an ordinary smartphone. It's sleek, futuristic, and screams innovation from every angle. Vivo has combined aviation-inspired engineering with smartphone craftsmanship to deliver something truly unique. The body is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back, giving it that premium weight and durability. But the star of the show is, of course, the mini drone module integrated right into the phone's chassis. It sits flush inside a magnetic housing on the back, a small, perfectly shaped camera pod that slides out when activated. The transition from a regular phone to a drone system feels like magic, but it's actually powered by advanced precision mechanics. The sliding camera mechanism uses micro motors and magnetic rails that ensure the module detaches smoothly and securely. And don't worry about safety, if the drone senses obstacles, it automatically returns to its dock. Vivo's attention to detail in balancing design elegance with such a complex system is astonishing. Even the color finishes, sky blue, phantom black, and aurora silver, add that futuristic vibe. It's the kind of phone that makes people stop and stare, not because of the logo on the back, but because of what it can do. Number 2. Display. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone features a massive 6.9-inch Super AMOLED panel that feels like you're holding a piece of art. The edges are perfectly curved, giving it that immersive waterfall effect that Vivo is known for. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, every animation, video, and scroll is buttery smooth. HDR10 Plus support makes watching content a visual treat with deep blacks, vivid colors, and lifelike contrast. What truly stands out is how Vivo has balanced size and usability. Despite the nearly 7-inch screen, the phone feels comfortable to hold, thanks to ultra-thin bezels and a lightweight frame. The display also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, fast and accurate as ever, and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, ensuring full visibility even under harsh sunlight. Whether you're editing photos captured by the drone or watching 4K cinematic footage, this display ensures every pixel feels alive. Vivo also added advanced eye protection modes that automatically adjust color temperature and blue light emission to reduce strain during long sessions. It's a display that not only impresses visually but also adapts intelligently to how you use it. Number 3. Performance. Now, let's talk raw power. Under the hood, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination makes it a beast for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. Every tap, every transition, feels instant. Vivo's optimization ensures that even while flying the detachable drone camera, the phone maintains seamless performance. The cooling system is liquid-based with vapor chambers that keep the device cool. Even during heavy tasks like 4K drone footage processing. Vivo's AI performance engine dynamically allocates CPU and GPU power depending on what you're doing. Whether editing drone clips, gaming, or streaming, it adapts in real time. On the gaming side, titles like PUBG, Genshin Impact, and Asphalt 9 run at ultra settings effortlessly. Even when multitasking between drone flight control, recording, and editing, the phone doesn't stutter once. This phone isn't just about innovation, it's about execution, and Vivo nailed it. Number 4. Camera. This is where things get wild. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone features a detachable 64-megapixel mini drone camera that actually flies. Yes, the module lifts off from the phone, controlled wirelessly via a custom Vivo app. It's equipped with 4 micro-propellers, obstacle detection sensors, and built-in stabilization using a 3-axis gimbal system. It can hover, follow, orbit, and even return automatically. The camera captures 4K HDR video, supports panoramic 360 degrees shots, and offers cinematic angles that were previously impossible on a smartphone. Imagine capturing a wedding, a sunset, or a group shot where you don't even need a tripod. The drone handles it. Vivo's software integrates advanced AI scene detection, real-time subject tracking, and facial recognition, ensuring sharp, dynamic footage every time. And when it comes to traditional photography, the rear setup includes a 200 megapixels main sensor, 50 megapixels ultrawide, and 12 megapixels telephoto lens, all powered by Vivo's V3 imaging chip. The front camera, hidden under the display, delivers stunning selfies with natural tone mapping. Low-light photography is exceptional, with Night Vision 3.0 delivering bright, crisp results even in near darkness. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or creator, this camera system breaks every limitation of mobile photography. Number 5. Battery life. Powering all this innovation is a massive 6000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Vivo includes 120W wired fast charging, which takes the phone from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. There's also 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse charging for accessories. The drone camera itself has a mini 800 mAh battery that recharges automatically when docked. Vivo's battery management system uses AI-based learning to monitor usage and extend life cycles. Despite its futuristic hardware, the efficiency is remarkable. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's improved power consumption paired with AMOLED's adaptive refresh rate means you're not draining battery unnecessarily. Even when using the drone camera for extended recording sessions, the phone stays efficient and cool. You can easily record multiple drone videos, stream content, and scroll through social media all day without reaching for the charger. Number 6. Software and features. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and it's easily the smoothest version yet. The interface feels clean, fast, and intelligently designed. Vivo has added new features that take full advantage of the drone system, like Air Snap Mode, Follow Me 2.0, and Cinematic Hover. These features allow you to control drone angles, set automatic tracking, and even capture cinematic panning shots hands-free. The phone also integrates seamlessly with editing tools, offering instant access to trimming, color grading, and social media export. Security-wise, it comes with facial recognition, AI privacy filters, and on-device data encryption. Vivo has also improved gesture controls and multitasking options with floating windows, split-screen views, and edge panel shortcuts. The system is deeply optimized for creators. You can launch the drone camera directly from the lock screen or control it using your smartwatch. And for entertainment lovers, there's high-res audio certification, stereo speakers tuned by Dirac, and haptic feedback that makes gaming more immersive than ever. Number 7. Value for money. Now the big question, is the Vivo Drone Camera Phone worth it? Considering what it brings to the table, absolutely yes. You're not just buying a smartphone, you're investing in a piece of futuristic technology that merges a phone, a drone, and a professional camera into one. For creators, vloggers, and professionals, it eliminates the need for separate gear. Its price, while premium, undercuts what it would cost to buy those devices individually. And Vivo's build quality, innovation, and after-sales support add tremendous value. When you hold this phone, you're holding a glimpse of where the entire industry is headed. So here's the conclusion: the Vivo Drone Camera Phone is not just another flagship. It's a bold statement about what smartphones can become. It challenges the boundaries of design, redefines mobile photography, and gives us a real taste of the future. Sure, it's ambitious, but that's what makes it exciting. It's not trying to copy anyone, it's rewriting the rules. If you've ever wanted a phone that captures life from every angle, literally, this is it. The future isn't coming, Vivo has already launched it. Thanks for watching AppleLnsider. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Vivo Drone Camera Phone, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing tech, and drop a comment telling us what feature blew your mind the most. Until next time, stay inspired, stay innovative, and keep exploring the future of technology.